just a dripping shit.
Oh, that's smart.
Oh,
It's in there.
yeah. It's a real campus emergency, guys. This is so exciting. I hope it doesn't rain. I didn't bring my rain shit. It feels like it's raining, but it's just a fog.